All right, so earlier I asked you if you could make any other property here for caption or perhaps title, buttons, and as many others you would want to add. Now, of course, you would just copy this, something like that, and add it here, right? Or add it in the caption or whatever else you wanted. That works fine. But notice that we can add as many properties or override as many properties as we want. In fact, if you come down here and start typing something like A, look, there's display 1, there's subhead, let's say B, there's body 2, there's subhead, subtitle, there's overline. So there's a lot of properties that we can override. If we had to do that for each one of those, that would be overkill. There is a way for us to apply all of the font family. We can even apply the display color and body color to the entire properties. So body, button, and many other properties we override here. What I mean by that is at the end here of our base copy width, I can say dot and say apply like that. Okay. If we say apply, we can then apply the property for this entire base that we are passing, which in this case is going to be TextTheme. Very good. So what is that I want to apply? Well, I can say I want the font family for all of these guys that we added or override inside here to be lobster. Like that. Of course, put a semicolon to finalize our statement. Okay. I can even say I want display color of the text to be something like colors, and I want something like this. I can also say I want a body color to be colors.red. This is exaggerating just for you to take a look to see the difference. Save and run. Let's see what's going to happen. And all of a sudden, of course, you notice the text also has changed here, but because we said body color to red, which is the background color, folks, that wouldn't work, would it? So I'm going to run again, and you can see now, we can see that indeed this is back to white, but notice the true and false are also running the lobster. Okay. So just like that, we applied the font family, display color, and if you want, of course, you can go and do the body color and go from there. And now anything we put inside here for buttons, even if we want it, it's going to conform to lobster font family.